Configuring the Fortnite server timeout can help improve your gaming experience by reducing lag and connection issues. Follow these simple steps to adjust the timeout settings. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Navigate to the gameplay settings. In the settings menu, look for the gameplay tab. This section contains options related to your gameplay experience, including server settings. Step 3. Locate the server timeout option. Scroll through the gameplay settings until you find the server timeout option. This setting controls how long the game will wait for a response from the server before timing out. Step 4. Adjust the timeout duration. Click on the server timeout option and set it to your desired duration. For optimal performance, consider setting it to a value that balances responsiveness and stability, such as 20 to 25 milliseconds. Step 5. Save your changes. After adjusting the server timeout, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Apply or Save button at the bottom of the settings menu to ensure your new configuration is active. By following these steps, you can effectively configure the server timeout in Fortnite, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your game!